Have you been applying for jobs and still no offers yet? Then listen attentively, because in the next few minutes, I will share with you all the reasons why you have not gotten that job offer yet. First things first, are you landing interviews? If the answer is no, then there are 4 reasons why. Number 1, your resume is not good enough. Sending out a poorly crafted resume is like pouring water into a leaky bucket. No matter how much effort you put in, it will never fill up. You're not failing because you're not good enough. You're failing because your resume isn't communicating your value to your potential employer. Number 2, you're not applying enough. Remember, job application is a numbers game. Increase the number of applications to at least 10 a day. By the way, we're incredibly lucky to live in a part of the world where there are lots of job opportunities. Please remember, there are some people in some places where they have only 10 to 20 job openings per month. So please make the most of the opportunity you have. Number 3, you're applying for the wrong level or position. It could be too senior or too junior. And number 4, you're not tailoring your resume to each job role. You need to be a sniper. Each resume should serve a specific purpose and be tailored to meet the needs of your potential employer. This tip right here is a complete game changer. So let's look at scenario number 2 and assume you're getting interviews but not progressing through the interview stages. Then it simply means that your interviewing skills need to be sharpened. Make sure your interview responses are top notch. Also, watch your energy, your confidence, the way you communicate your value matters big time.
Did you notice I'm wearing blue? Because I saw your company has blue logo, so I wore the blue.
That's a nice shirt, but actually our logo is red.
So practice, practice, practice. This could be in front of a mirror or with a friend. Make sure you practice. Now, if you have been scaling through and getting to the final rounds of the interview, but still no offer, then there are a few possibilities. Number 1, whilst I hate to say this, the truth is that they might have chosen someone better or someone with more direct or senior experience. It might also be that the role is no longer required or has been filled internally. These things do happen. Know this and know peace. Another possibility is that there could have been a personality misalignment. You may have had all the knowledge, all the qualification, but just had an off day during the interview and was just maybe too nervous, and as a result, your true personality didn't come through. Again, these things do happen. We're all human. What you need to do is dust yourself off and on to the next one. And finally, ask yourself this question, which underpins everything I've mentioned so far. Do you genuinely believe you can land this job?
I can do it, sir.
There's a very popular saying by Henry Ford which says, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. So if you don't feel worthy of the opportunity, it will show. You need to fully believe in your own value. That's what will convince employers you're the right fit for the role. Go ahead and fix these areas and watch those offers roll in. If you need any help with any of the points mentioned in this video, then please drop us a DM. Remember, you are unstoppable. Now go show that to the world. Good luck.